For the first part of this lecture, we're going to look at the relationship between speed, distance and time, and for that we're going to need to learn our first mandatory formula of the course. Now, each of the three variables, speed, distance and time, have their own symbol. So we use a x to represent distance, we use a t, lowercase, to represent time, and we use an s to represent speed. So I'll show you how to use this formula triangle. All we have to do is cover up the value that we want to calculate, and we can use that to figure out the formula we should use. So if I were to cover up speed, that would tell me that speed is equal to distance divided by time. Anytime you've got anything separated by a line like this, that means the top is divided by the bottom. If I were to now work out the formula for distance, I would cover up distance, and it would tell me that it is speed times time. And if we want to work out time, we can see quite clearly when we cover up time that time is equal to distance divided by speed. And that's how we use the formula triangle. Just cover up the variable you want to calculate and follow the operation it suggests. So a couple of key words here that you'll be hearing as we go through this topic. When we're discussing instantaneous speed, that means the speed at any one particular point. If you were to take a freeze frame and know their speed at that moment in time, that is at instantaneous speed. The average speed is worked out from the total distance travelled and the time it took to travel that distance. So when we're using our formula speed equals distance over time, that is our average speed. We are calculating our total object distance and the total time it took to travel that distance.